30th June 63. I became Second Lieutenant Ratan Kaur. Pardon me if I speak in English because that gives a better sort of a conversation. Moreover, within 1 year, compulsorily I had to pass an examination in Nepal.
नमस्कार श्रोताओं, आप सभी का शारदा चैनल में स्वागत है। श्रोताओं, आज हमारे स्टूडियो में ब्रिगेडियर रतनाल कौल जी आए हैं और इनके साथ बातचीत कर रहे हैं मिस्टर रमेश आंगलू जी। आइए देखते हैं इस इंटरव्यू का ये पार्ट।
समय निश्चित रोज में बात करान ब्रिगेडियर रतन कौल साहब से। ब्रिगेडियर साहब, नाउ योर आर्मी स्टार्ट्स on 30th June
30th June 63.
1963. You got
I became Second Lieutenant Ratan Kaur
Ratan Kaur
and posted to 4-5 Gurkha Rifles Frontier Force.
Frontier.
They are called as Frontier Force because there is an old regiment, and earlier, before 47, they were called as Royal Gurkha Rifles because we put on a royal lanyard onto the right.
But Godich posting kod gate?
My first posting was at Dehradun. The battalion had been re-raised. It had already fought during the Second World War. Second World War was us. The ये से करो डिसबैंड, बहुत सारी आर्मी यूनिट्स को डिसबैंड किया गया था. It was 4-5 years disband, and thereafter it was raised after 62 to meet the Chinese threat. There was massive expansion of Indian Army, and that's how it was raised again.
Godich experience क्या था?
Oh, I will tell you this.
As Lieutenant Gabriel, Godich experience क्या था?
Godich experiences यो ये घर ओसम गसुस दन छुट्टी में बाशमा द्रास जेमी पेटे श्रीनगर कुदस पंचुस बिहित चाय चावल. I had some breakfast also, and I was literally a small boy, or say second lieutenant, but young, and there were a lot of people around there looking at me.
First in your uniform.
I was in uniform. I wanted to show this uniform to my parents. And there was few girls also, they were giggling. I giggled back, but I was too young for them. That is my first experience of the army when I went home. And जब मैं घर में पहुंचा तो सब रिश्तेदार आ गए, मोहल्ले वाले आ गए. वेदर देवर मोहल्ले वाले वर मुस्लिम्स, हिंदूज, फैमिलीज. somebody से लगिया बलाया ये वो करके चलता रहता था. Until next 7 or 8 days I was roaming around. What I missed was मैंने शुरू कर दिया था gardens जाना. I used to go to gardens, meet old friends. And as I told you, mischievous भी था.
That's good.
And you know what I mean.
Yes.
कभी कोई कंपनी कर जाती थी,
तो
कोई दोस्त आज ले जाता था, चलता रहता.
तो ये सब तो मैं आर्मी मैन बने. But when you again from home you पद गए थे बे पन्निस बटालियन में. तब साधन क्या फीलिंग आई थी? तब हिम होम सिक या बाकी चीज?
No, nothing doing. The first when I'll tell you my first experience. It was on 14th July. Pardon me if I speak in English because that gives a better sort of a conversation. The battalion was in tents. It was monsoon. I was carrying my bedding. And the first chap I met was, I still remember him, God bless his soul, Rifleman Barrow Singh. Barrow Singh Gurung. And he had another chap also, Par Singh Gurung. They were working in the mess and I was dropped next to the mess. And I was trying to tell them, for heaven's sake, it's going to rain, take my bedding and keep it somewhere else, otherwise it will get wet. I spoke to them in Hindi, English. They would reply me in Nepali. I couldn't understand them. They couldn't understand me. In the bargain, the rain came and the bedding was wet. And in the night, first night, I had to sleep on a wet mattress. That day itself, I had breakfast and my CO was there. I remember Lieutenant Colonel M.L. Bhatia. His wife was from the Mahindra families. Mahindras are famous for the Jeep, that time Jeep, and Anand Mahindra is the one. She was their sister. He was also from Dera Ghazi Khan, Pakistan. We used to call him Pathan. He used to literally dress up in Pathan suits. And I had breakfast with him. Sat down. Normally we take off the belts. I didn't take off the belt. I didn't know it is to be taken off. It was in a tent. And after some time, when we finished the breakfast, he told me a few things which I remember till this day. He said, "Son, I'm happy that you came to this battalion. Don't look beyond the nose. Whatever will come, it will be your effort. Second one, don't do anything which can bring embarrassment to you or the battalion." And these two things I kept always with me. Whether I was second lieutenant, when I was promoted to captain, or as major, I never looked for the next one. I worked as is. And I'm sure I stood by his second one as I have not done anything which could defame my battalion or which could bring some black spot on my character or career.
Lieutenant Cole sab tarun army mas kitken ge utai entry kitken hesh utai first lesson panis COs nish tam pad yum tan subordinates asat ya army hind jawan janas timan sit kitken as utai relation thawan timan sit kitken as what be asan kya to as timan language timan hechin ta as baki cheez timan culture language baki sori cheez as timan hechin.
Thank you for asking this. I joined them on 14 July, 63 battalion. 21 July को we started going back to J&K for the borders. 22nd July we were at Pathankot, and 23rd July we were at a place called Balnoi, Mender sector. Now, I was the junior most and the youngest officer of the battalion. So, they used to call me Nani. Nani in Gurkhali means Bacha. As far as JCOs and junior commissioned officers and men are concerned, I was literally one of them all along my 25 years. I was posted to a company, Delta Company. Though I was a Saab, I was called Call Saab. My JCO सल्यूट करता था, जवान सल्यूट करते थे, नाम नहीं लेते थे, साहब बोलते थे. और उनके साथ में उठना बैठना था. मैं नाम के लिए सेकंड लेफ्टिनेंट था, मगर उठने बैठने के लिए मैं उनके साथ में था. खाना उनके साथ में खाना, मेरे लिए खाना अलग नहीं बनता था. सिर्फ क्योंकि मैं टाइमिंग्स मेरी अलग होती थी, शाम को देखना पड़ता था पिकेट. जहाँ पर मैं भेजा गया था, पाकिस्तानी बिल्कुल आमने सामने थे. उन दिनों बहुत फायरिंग पाकिस्तानी करते थे, तो मैं थोड़ा सा देख के फिर खाना खा लेता था. तो मेरे लिए सिर्फ गर्म खाना आता था और मेरा सहायक था जो वो खाना ले आता था. मेरी ट्रेनिंग जो हुई थी, मैं ऑर्डिनरी सिपाही के साथ में और राइफलमैन हम बोलते थे उनके साथ में हुई. हम 10 आदमी थे एक सेक्शन के, वो जो सेक्शन होता है उनके साथ में वेपन ट्रेनिंग किया, जो कुछ पिकेट में हो सकता था उन्हीं के साथ में किया. और उस वक्त मैं अपने पिस्टल भी निकाल देता था ताकि मैं एक जैसे हम दिखे, और उनको भी ये ना हो कि हमारे साथ साहब बैठा हुआ. जो ही क्लास खत्म हो जाती थी और हमारा इंस्ट्रक्टर नायक हुआ करता था, मैं उसको भी गुरुजी बोलता था.
लैंग्वेज कितने हैं पता है?
Our soldiers didn't know Hindi. They spoke Gorkhali. I didn't know Gorkhali. And naturally to converse with each other, I had to pick up. Moreover, within 1 year, compulsorily I had to pass an examination in Nepali. And that is how I learned with them. उनके साथ में उठना बैठा 25 साल उनके साथ में उठना बैठा. अभी तो मैं उनको सिखाता हूँ नेपाली. यहाँ तक है कि मेरे बच्चों को भी नेपाली समझ में आ जाती है, वो भी बोलने लगते हैं, क्योंकि वो यूनिट में पैदा हुए, बड़े हो गए, तो उनके साथ में भी जवान नेपाली में बात करता था. एंड इट इज वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर अ लीडर to know the language, the habits, and each man what he is worth is worth. They know what you are worth.